Hey, I am Adekomi by name from Scratch to Crash Marketing. If you love this my video review, please click the like button and share it. I want to introduce you to a product review called Cashpresso. Cashpresso is the easiest way to generate viral traffic. That is, it unleashes free viral traffic to your website and will help you to pocket easy commission over and over again. What are we going to learn inside this product review? Number one, introduction to Cashpresso. And number two, what are the best features of Cashpresso? And number three, who can benefit from Cashpresso? Let's look at the introduction first. Cashpresso is an external new way to get massive traffic. It gives to you on how to use done-for-you high-quality traffic sucking machine and source traffic from this untapped source, and then drive more and more traffic using viral reward-based traffic generation technology and put them into your mailing list completely automatically for a tiny one of payment. Cashpresso is the easy and most successful cloud-based online software which turns any PDF into traffic and lead generation machine. The most interesting thing about Cashpresso is for doing that conversion, you don't need to have a website or domain hosting or anything else. You can directly build your lead list and make money directly with it. Everything that you need is included with this software. It is a complete package for you. Then, what are the best features of Cashpresso? Number one, it generates high quality lead and transforms them into loyal buyers easily. Number two, never struggle to get traffic again, nor will you lose your shit with Facebook, AdWords, or even Bing. Number three, no complicated control panel to deal with. You can start within minutes and start using Cashpresso without complication. Number four, get traffic to your offer. It doesn't matter what you are promoting, your own products, e-commerce product, affiliate product, services. Number five, tap into not very low, high quality traffic source and send it straight to your offer. Number six, no hosting or domain needed at all. Number seven, build a responsive list full of targeted leads and generate profit over and over again. The last, build a profitable, responsive list of people who love to buy from you across multiple lucrative niches. How do you use Cashpresso? Step one, user can take any PDF, either their own or free from internet, or done for you PDF report we provide in the members area and upload it to Cashpresso app. This app will put opt-in form on the PDF. Step two, share it with the world using one push of a button. When the visitor will read the PDF, they will see opt-in pop-up. Upon signing up, visitor will see an offer to refer more visitors to PDF and get additional rewards. So basically, every visitor sends more and more traffic, and more traffic send more traffic, and this is circle continue. Step three, there is no step. Enjoy results for more result rise and repeat using trainings and tricks we provided and create more and more campaigns. What are the features and benefits of Cashpresso? Number one, unlimited free traffic, unlimited free viral traffic. All of the traffic you generate is totally free. It will not cost you anything, so your whole profit will be kept safe. Cashpresso allows users to use video and support to create first page ranking that generates buyer traffic and save for everyone from the scratch. Number 2, no complicated terminology. Kaspersky does not require you anything such as hosting, domain, or autoresponsor. It's all in Kaspersky already. No SEO knowledge required. No creating content and no creating video. Number 3, powerful convenience. Kaspersky is a cloud-based software, so you don't need to install. You can easily accessible from any device. Get the reach traffic within 1 minute. Who can benefit from this offer? Kaspersky is a complete system that you can make money while you do less work than other fellows. This means the product is not only for affiliates, but also for anyone who is interested in making money online. Your helpful assistant is right here in Kaspersky, who need to share profit with a partner while you can have the system run on autopilot. So I recommend this product to people having this type of work: digital product marketer, physical product vendor, small business owner, digital agency owner, internet marketing affiliate, and also freelancer. What makes Kaspersky to stand out? 1, it's 100% newbie friendly. Built-in traffic generator. No website, hosting, or domain needed. 100% done for you. No need hosting server. No experience required. Web-based software, profit from any device.